We rolling?
Mm-hmm.
Welcome back to the show. We got another Supreme unboxing here. Let's go. Open it up. Okay. Take a little peek inside, see what we got here. Alright. Let's start off. Number one. Get nice and close on that. We got the Zippo restocked. Diamond cut. And you already know we went for the gold. Ooh, that is... Damn. That is nice. Let's take that out, take a look at it. Ooh, it's heavy. Ooh, that's cool. That's shiny. Okay, we'll start off. We'll keep it small here. We got the little Dagger pin. Very cool. Pro tip right here. Check underneath the flaps on the box last time. We almost threw away a sticker. And here, two classic Bogos under the flap. Always check the box. The white Gonz tee. Let's see. And here we got the Flame Supreme tee. USA represent. Even though we from Canada.
I think that's like a television thing.
I'm not too sure. It's also got the logo on the back, but...
I'm way too young. I'm way too you. I'm a way to you. And no matter which time, which place, which town, I'll find a way to call you up and wind you not around. Cause baby, you're the only one allowed to pull me down. So look at me like that. I've been listening to your eyes when you look me like that. My place ain't got a sense when you look me like that.